Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Looking at the top side of the Australian dollar, the area of 75.25.35 is still containing the bulls. However, the market is not quite out of the zone, so to speak, to support a bear case as of yet, as the market continues to rebound in front of that 74.30.50 area. Although there is somewhat negative indicators here in terms of the candles and also the RSI, a little bit mixed, but the MACD still remaining somewhat heavy, still puts a case towards the downside. All eyes look to the RBA tomorrow, and the market will scrutinise the report released by the central bank to see in terms of how dovish or how hawkish, how have they turned to even support a rate hike. So we have to keep a very close watch on that. In the meantime, though, if we do see a break of 75.25.35, then that would see a rise up to 75.60. But at the moment, still contained, so we should eventually see a pullback. The market's still waiting for the confirmation around 110.30 after this bearish outside range day and the rejection of 111.70.80. In light of the pattern, I still feel there is a downside case and therefore looking towards 109.30 as a potential target and reassess from there. But I would like to see 110 break to support this negative candle or engulfing candle, more to the point. The dollar yen still in a sort of a mixed direction at the moment as the market continues to whipsaw around this sort of 121.50.60 base and a close top around 122.70 to about 123. Although the technicals have broken down since the last three bearish candles here, the market still needs a little bit more confirmation to give the call down to the 120 area, and that would be a break of 121.50. If seen, that should support the bear case. Sterling still in this point in time, I feel the market can actually eventually wander further to the upside in light of the RSI recovering, and also the MACD does support this case. Looking towards sterling Kiwi, I'd still like the way this pattern is for the RSI when it comes to divergence, as this market is heading lower but failing or struggling, and therefore looks for a snap to the upside to at least 192 and reassess. Finishing up with gold and oil, well, the market's still at this point in time, I feel the call is towards 1,900. The lackluster technicals and also the failed upside attempt and the break of this short-term trend does give further evidence to the bear case. Let's see if we can take out the level of 1,900 this week. Oil is attempting to recover since the recent break of 103, but I feel the market is still destined to head lower, even to around this 92.93 base that I've outlined here. And let's see if the market is weaker into the start of the week. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, keep a lookout for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.